All right, we're about to do this driveway right here and a little passageway. Okay, I got my little pressure washing set up on the trailer. All right, y'all. So this is my first. This is Elm. I'm doing his driveway. So this is my first time taking the trailer. You know what I mean? Set up anywhere, cause it is a how-to lawn care channel, but I'm also doing pressure washing now. First time taking this somewhere. I'm how-toing myself. I forgot the surface cleaner. So, call my wife up. She's bringing a surface cleaner now. So, it is the first time I've loaded everything in that trailer. A trial and error, y'all. This is why I'm making this video. Don't do that. Don't do what I did. Forget stuff. Alright, my wife just got done dropping off the surface cleaner. There it is. So let's start this surface cleaning. So let's begin. I totally forgot to angle the camera that way. So I already did one row. I'm going in circular motion, so I won't be going up and down. So I'm trying to circular motion out. Apparently it's supposed to not leave stripes. So I'm just using water. All right, so hope you enjoy the rest of the video. right, so there you go. That's the after. All right, so when it dries, it'll look more white. All right, right now it's wet. Okay, so I was doing a swerve technique that I saw on YouTube from, I believe it's Scott does it. I was trying to get rid of the stripes, and he said that when you swerve, they're hitting it twice. That's what I was doing. All right, so so I just use water. So there's some like real dark stains right here. All right, I'm gonna have to like look up on how to get those off. All right. So there's some like ladder spots. So I don't know if it's because it's like this got sealed in the past, and somebody pressure washed it, because you're supposed to wait like 3 years until after you pressure wash if you seal a driveway. That's what I was taught. That's what I was told. So maybe that's what happened. But there's some more dark spots right here. All right, so hey, leave a comment. Tell me what you think. If you see my past two videos on pressure washing, am I doing better? Hey, did you learn anything? All right, if you're a professional pressure washer watching this, leave a comment, leave some advice. Other than that, thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe, please. I help get my channel out to other viewers searching on YouTube. All right, trying to share my experience with them. Thank you. God bless, and see you on the next video. Bye.